Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Hope you guys like the channel. And so today is Throwback Thursday, so I'm back out here at the park again with another classic from back in the day. This guy, this is the MJX X900, and this is a Nano Hexacopter. And at one point, this one was the smallest hexacopter in the world, the smallest RC hexacopter. This thing came out at the same time that the X900 and the X600 came out. This is part of that series, and it does come in white as well. And this was a really awesome little hexacopter back then, because you couldn't really get any other hexacopters. But shortly after that, some better hexacopters came out. But this one is pretty good, but it seems like it flies very heavy. It seems very heavy in the air. A little too heavy to fly around too fast and acrobatic and all. If you have a Devo transmitter though, or a multi-protocol transmitter, this thing can be flown with that, and it is very agile and all flown with that, but it does fly heavy at the same time. So in other words, what I mean is this guy does have very deep pitch, just like the X800 and X600, but it still flies heavy, so you can't really benefit from all of that pitch or whatnot without losing altitude and all. It does have really nice lights on it. It has a little barrel charger that comes with it, an on and off switch, and the battery is not removable though. And so needless to say, from all these years ago, this guy does need a battery replacement. But I figured I'd be able to get this guy up in the air just to show you guys maybe a flip or two and some of its flight characteristics. So let's get this guy up in the air. I did charge it up. Hopefully it held some of the charge. It has been sitting for a while. But let's get it. So we up in the air with it. Check it out. Let's do a flip with it. Hit the ground immediately. So it flies kind of heavy. It loses altitude when you stop, but as long as you're moving forward though, you can get this guy to keep going, hold this altitude and all. And as long as you don't give it too much pitch. Oh, we're going down. Oh, see if we can get it up in the air. Flying again. I'll try to fly it a little more slower. Let's look at the yaw. Bring it over here. This is the yaw. It's a really slow yaw, just like the others in the series, but the pitch is more than ample pitch to have some fun flying with it. So more than makes up with the pitch. Tiny little guy. And it's flashing already. Already flashing. Maybe I shouldn't fly it away that far because you guys probably can't see it. It's so tiny and it's black at that. So I'll try to keep it right here, up close. Bring it down a little lower so you guys can see what it looks like in the air. You know, kind of fast. You know. I'm surprised it's in the air for this long. Oh, I keep forgetting. I'm trying to have fun with this guy. I gotta keep it in close so you guys can see it. I'll try to walk along with it. So I think I can probably get a CX10 battery offline and swap this battery out. Ah, and it went down. So that's my plan. I'm gonna get a CX10 battery and swap it with this little battery in here, and hopefully I'll get this guy flying up a little bit longer and be able to do more flips with it and all. Definitely holding on to it. I don't think that you can get these anymore. I would like to have had the white version, the MJX X900 Nano Hexacopter. Thanks for watching.